Hey everybody, Kristen here. As you know, I believe homemade is best, but it doesn't need to be complicated. And today's recipe proves just how easy delicious foods can be. We're gonna make one of my all-time fan favorites, baked rotini. This is a super simple, super versatile recipe, so let's break it down. The first thing you're gonna do is bring a large pot of water to a rapid boil. Once boiling, add in about a tablespoon of kosher salt. You need a lot of salt to season your pasta, and a 16-ounce box of rotini noodles. Cook your pasta for 2 minutes less than the box states. Once your pasta is cooked, drain it and add it to a large mixing bowl. Be sure to reserve about a half a cup of the cooking liquid to help our sauce come together. To keep this recipe super quick and easy, use a jar of your favorite spaghetti or marinara sauce. And you want to make sure it is 28 ounces. And then you want to dump your sauce right into your cooked pasta and add half a cup of that reserved cooking liquid into your jar. The cooking liquid, it's starchy, it's salty, it's really gonna flavor up your sauce and it's gonna help the sauce stick to the noodles. Give that a shake there. Add that right to our pasta. Then I'm also adding in an egg. Give our egg a whisk there to combine. And normally I would add this egg after I have mixed everything together so that it doesn't scramble, but got a little distracted, so I'm gonna give this a good stir. The egg is totally optional, but it does help the pasta to bind together and kind of give it like a lasagna consistency. Speaking of lasagna consistency, I am adding in 16 ounces of cottage cheese. You can use full fat, you can use reduced fat, don't use fat-free, won't be as creamy or delicious. The cottage cheese here gives our pasta, again, that lasagna flavor. It also makes it super creamy, super cheesy, and amps up the protein quite a bit. You could also add in some ground cooked beef or sausage. You could cut up some chicken Italian sausage and put that in. I'm keeping this super, super simple tonight. For additional cheese flavor, I'm adding in about 1/4 of a cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese and a little bit of mozzarella. You don't need to add any additional cheese. You could add cheddar cheese if that's what you have on hand. You could add just Parmesan cheese or just mozzarella. And that's really all you need, but I am going to take the flavor up just a little bit. We really like garlic, so I'm gonna add in just a little bit of garlic powder. No need to get out garlic cloves and mince them. And then a little bit of Italian seasoning. Again, those ingredients, the Italian seasoning and the garlic powder, are optional. Give that a stir there, and then we're gonna add this to a 9x13 pan here. Spread that out so it's nice and even, and then we're gonna top with additional cheese here. Again, you can use any cheese you like. If you have cheddar cheese on hand, provolone cheese, sliced cheese, fresh mozzarella. I had mozzarella and Parmesan today, so that's what I'm using. While this recipe is designed to be super easy and perfect for any night of the week, if you have a couple extra minutes, grate the cheese yourself using a box grater or a food processor. Bagged cheese is coated in anti-caking agents and it won't melt as smoothly. And it's also a huge money saver. But of course, if you have bagged cheese, use it. I promise you, it will still be delicious. That's it. We're gonna pop this in a 350-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes uncovered, just until the cheese gets nice and brown and the sauce warms through. And I'm telling you, it is so perfect and so delicious. My rotini has baked. It smells absolutely incredible in here. It's creamy, it's cheesy. It reminds me of lasagna without all the effort. Everybody loves it. It's perfect for entertaining. It's perfect for a holiday meal. It's perfect for a busy weeknight meal, which is exactly what it's gonna be for dinner for us tonight. However you serve it, you're gonna love it. Let it rest for a little bit just so that it sets up a little bit better, just like a lasagna. And then you can dish it up. All right, I'm gonna go in for a bite here. It's so, so good. For being so easy, it's so incredibly good. It's cheesy, it's hearty, It's truly one of my all-time favorites. And if you're looking for another easy pasta recipe, be sure to catch my next recipe where I walk you through how to make Instant Pot rigatoni using your Instant Pot. Until next time, happy cooking.